Yeah, hi, I'm Rajesh Chabria, a partner in Chabria and Sons, and we deal with tiles, sanitary ware since a very long time. It's a family business. We are doing it for the last 50 years in Bangalore. We have three showrooms. We had a warehouse in Kalaspalle, which is a very crowded area in Bangalore, and we used to face a lot of challenges in warehousing and logistics, especially warehousing. Because we deal with heavy items like tiles, sanitary ware, and tap fittings, which are very expensive. And we managed on our own for so many years, but then looking at the need of the hour, we thought that let me see if I can go on to third party warehousing. I had heard about third party warehousing in several places. So one day I said, okay, fine. I just went on to Just Dial, Google, and I was just trying to Google it and Just Dial. And then somewhere, I don't remember either in Just Dial or Google, I just got this reference Esteem warehousing. So I just took a chance, called up, and connected with them, and then the kind of approach that I got from Mr. Rohit, who owns this company, Esteem Warehousing, was very, very politely. He approached me, understood my requirement, and then it all happened so fast just because of his very nice approach that very next day or the day after that, I went and saw the facility in Madanayaganalli, which is on the outskirts of Bangalore. And once I saw it, I was really impressed. And then we worked out the costing, the area, and then I understood the whole concept behind third-party warehousing. And they said, okay, we'll manage the entire warehousing for you, give you the loaders, unloaders, and we'll do that. And logistics, the delivery part, you can handle, but we'll give you manpower and all the facilities. So we found, and the kind of storage spaces they have are worth seeing, and the way they manage the whole place also is worth seeing. And so fine, we had a discussion, and then we worked out the costing as to how much more it will cost me to go in for third party warehousing. I was quite surprised that we did not have to pay too much of a difference. Like if I had an X amount of expenses in my existing warehouse, keeping the number of staff, the number of people that I had employed, their PF, ESI, and then the cost to company for each employee, and then again the electricity, the maintenance of the godown, all those. If I calculated everything and then I saw how much I was paying here per month, it was marginally more, and the facility was much better. The space, and then we said, okay, fine, let's go on to it. We tried it out. We took a chance. It was a big chance for us because we had a huge warehouse with almost about 15,000, 16,000 square. Moving the material from our place to other place, they helped us out even in that. Moving out the material, shifting the material, which we did in a span of 5-6 days. We shifted all the material and then we started operations there. And now we are really happy. They have a very good team, very cooperative at their warehouse, and Mr. Rohit also monitors it, on a very regular basis with me, takes feedbacks from me as to how the facility is and what are the improvements that they can do. And continuously, I have seen in the last 7-8, more than that, we tied up with them in February. So February 2020, now is Jan 2021. So almost 10-11 months since we've tied up with them. And keeping the COVID lockdown aside for 3 months, we still have actual operation experience for almost 9-10 months. And in those 9-10 months, there's been a lot of improvement from their side. Of course, we also have adapted to them, they have adapted to us, and it's a good marriage. It's a good, it's a real good setup. I would recommend third-party warehousing, especially if you're tying up with reputed people like Mr. Rohit from Esteem Logistics, Esteem Warehousing. I wish them all the best, and instead, I have referred them to quite a few of my friends and who are into similar businesses or different kind of businesses who always have been facing challenges with warehousing and logistics. So I have referred them, and then he's in talks with them also, and then we'll see how this goes forward. Even the other advantage is that I can expand at any point of time. Suppose I want 2,000 square feet of space extra. Overnight I get 2,000 square feet of space extra, and then another advantage is they charge you as per actual usage. If you are using less, they charge you less. Of course, there's a minimum guarantee of space. Obviously, that is goes without saying. But anything that I use extra, they charge me for that. And if I'm optimizing my space and try to use how much I've committed, I save money on that too every month. So going forward, I would definitely recommend them, and wishing them all the best. Chabria and Sons is wishing Esteem all the best, and for a nice and good future. Thank you.